What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix there's an issue with your account or order error you are getting when trying to redeem the Microsoft rewards on your account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Have you been facing this issue and trying various methods to resolve it, but none of them have worked for you? Additionally, using third-party software or extensions can be a risk. Therefore, I'm going to show you a simple and reliable method to get rid of the Microsoft Rewards error you are getting. First, sign into your Microsoft account. You can find the link to the website in the video description. Once signed in, you will see the points you have earned displayed here. You can also scroll down to find a variety of activities. Click on any activity to earn more points. The problem arises when you click on Redeem. At this stage, you may encounter difficulties when trying to redeem or purchase a gift card. To address this issue, scroll down and locate the Contact Microsoft Reward Support option. Click on it and it will redirect you to this page. Here, you will find the section titled New Support Request. Begin by providing issue title to describe the problem. Next, enter the required personal details and further explain the error or issue you've been encountering. Once you have provided all the necessary information, click on Submit and you're done. Within the next 24 hours, you will receive an email from Microsoft Support regarding the resolution of your issue, as it's an account-based problem and there's currently no easy fix to it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.